Hello and welcome to the NinjaTrader Indicator Warehouse. Today we're going to be covering the visual time and sales indicator. This is a very innovative approach to a variation on using the time and sales chart. I've gone ahead and put the traditional time and sales chart on the screen just so you can see how this indicator translates that information into something that can visually help you with your trading. So let's do a quick review of time and sales. Time and sales is a powerful tool. It's used by professional day traders to watch the current price movements at its most detailed level. It shows each individual trade as it occurs in a scrolling list. The time and sales chart shows the exact price that each trade occurs at and also whether the trade occurred at the bid, the market selling price, or ask, market buying price. Now normally one watches this activity using the traditional time and window chart you see on the screen. The challenge, as you can see with this method, is that the time and sales activity can move by very quickly and scroll by too fast. In addition, a normal time and sales window cannot be fully integrated into your primary screen. So I'm going to take it off from here on out. Our visual time and sales indicator displays this powerful information as a dynamic horizontal graph. You see that you can control the color at the above ask, at the bid, and below the bid. This enables you to visually see when price is at, above, or below the bid or ask price. So let's watch it for a little bit. While we're watching, here's a few things that you should note. Let me zoom in here. One of the key things that you're looking for are these pops. You see this lime green bar here at the top. That's a strong sign that there's about to be a good up move, and you can see it was followed through very nicely. The other thing you want to look for are bars that extend outside of the normal range. Again, you can see that happens here right in the middle when the bears turn around and pull that move back down. So now we're watching as they battle it out. When the market's at fair value, you'll see that the green and the red lines basically stay at the same level. Here you see the bears are trying once again to try and pull it down. Let's see what happens. So you can see there was a lot of selling that went through. And you see that green, that lime green at the top of the bar? That means that there's buying above the ask. That's a very strong sign that there's probably going to be an upward move. Let's see what happens. See all that buying coming into the market? Now, typically in a situation like this, you're going to see the bears try and push back and bring the price back down. Let's see what happens. Now again, you could see all this on a normal time and sales window chart. It's just that I find this incredibly better visually for giving you a sense of what's going on with the flow of orders. And there you can see the bears are bringing some selling into the market to try and pull that move back down. Let's see if they succeed. Nope. So you can see now there's more buying power coming into the market. You can see why I just think this is a great indicator. So again, a few things to note also. This really only works in real time. It's designed for minute or time-based charts, so keep that in mind. Some people use this at a lower time frame. They may just be running the visual time and sales on a lower time frame and then have another chart open on a higher time frame that they actually trade from. It's an interesting strategy. But there are definitely many ways that you can use this indicator to give you a better sense of the flow of sales moving through the market. So with that, I will ask you to remember that whether you are day trading the E-mini S&P, other futures contracts, or Forex, Indicator Warehouse will help you get more profit from your online trading and technical analysis efforts. Thank you for joining us today.